head of a child
Oh my God.
and say you're doing it for God. You're taking some evil, something out of the God. Well, who made evil? Who made good? Who made bad? So, if you're taking some evil, something out of a child, and you take a nail and put it in the head of a child, then who telling you to go pick up the evil? That same evilness must possess you too. That you say that evil is in that child.
Oh,
you must have that
That's
evil
right.
too.
That's right.
You know what I mean? You got the same evil. The only way you could identify with that child evil is you yourself is evil.
Thank you. Thank you. But you see, that's the point. These people are not paying attention. Your action, when you call somebody, when you take a little child or
who
a
is
woman
helpless,
and you tie them up on the tree and you beat them and you say they're devil and all of that.
then
like you said,
one devil has to know
what
another
is
devil.
it? What is it in you that made you do the same thing you're saying this person is doing? If you pick up a gun and say, oh, you know, some people do that. Somebody came into my property. I'm going to shoot him. I'm just going to kill him because you're not going to mess with me. My goodness. Think about what you're talking about doing. If you're trying to take a life, that doesn't make you better than that person that wants to take your life.
You know, it's funny. I've seen people come out of the church and find somebody in their yard stealing mangoes. And they go take cutlass and kill the person because they took mango out the yard.
That's it.
But you just came from the church.
But
and you go do cutlass.
Yes, but you see, they can do those things because to them, the devil made them do it. See,
but you just killed somebody.
Yeah, but it's the devil.
For mango.
But it's the devil that made them do it. Don't you understand?
Yes.
We're not taking responsibility for our own actions because in African spirituality, in Chiism, in Godianism, we don't say that you're going to go to hell. Okay? We don't say you're going to do that. We don't say that somebody is going to, that somebody has already paid for your action. We let you know right off the bat.
You pay your own bills.
What you seek, so shall you find. If you do it, just get ready to bank it.
To pay your own bill.
That's it. If you do it, whatever you do, we believe you're going to come back. You will come back to this earth and reclaim your gift for what you did in your order. That we don't say no, anybody's going to is going to take care of your sin for you. No,
you say do your own day.
That's it.
Do your own day.
That's it. You did it. You own it.
Your day belongs to you.
That's right.
You do your own day.
You do it. You own it. We are so excited about what we've talked about today. We are going to invite you again to come back and share with us, because the discussion about Africa, it's our responsibility to talk about it. Now, we may sit here and we just go on and on because there's just so much to talk about.
Yes.
You know, it's hard. There's not enough time. And worse yet, it's just so hard to just sit here and just take it little at a time, because once you start talking about one thing, you know there's a whole lot of other things you want to talk about. But I want you to leave some parting words for our viewers today.
I'm a true believer that thoughts are things and things have wings. Thoughts are things and things have wings.
That's powerful.
Yes.
In other words, what you're saying is what you think you are, what you think about, becomes reality.
Exactly.
So what we must do is start thinking about ourselves differently. I'm reminded of what Iyanla Vanzant, and I do admire her, because she does remind me of some of the things I hear my father say, His Holiness.
Yes.
You know, something that she said, I went to one of her programs, and she said that the most powerful tool in the hands of an oppressor is the mind of the oppressed.
Yes.
I'm going to say it again, that the most powerful tool in the hands of an oppressor is the mind of the oppressed. It's important for us to know who the oppressor is.
Exactly.
Now, the oppressor does not necessarily mean somebody else.
It could be yourself.
It could be yourself. And we, as Africans, we are our own worst oppressors.
Exactly.
Our attitude towards ourselves oppress us. Our attitude